Are you getting an error code that says LAN cable disconnected? If you keep getting that error code and it kicks you out of games all the time, you might want to watch this video. The first thing you need to do is go to your Sony, hold your button on. If it's already on, hold the button on until it beeps twice and the lights flash. Once the lights turn out on your Sony completely, and just wait for that to happen. Alright, so it's completely off. What you want to do is hold your finger on it again and wait for it to beep twice again. And now it will boot into safe mode. This is what safe mode looks like. So as you can see, I should plug your cable into your controller and then press the Sony button. So I've got the cable connected to the front of the Sony, press the Sony button, and then you'll see this menu here. Then you want to go down to update system software, update using the internet, update to the latest version, wait for it to update. It'll start installing the update. The screen might go black for a bit. The screen actually goes black for a while. I pause the video, so just be patient. After it's installed 100%, just go to your store. And if you're getting something like this, can't load and corrupt photos, that means your database is corrupt. So you'll need to turn off your Sony. That tour thing is so annoying. Turn it off completely. Repeat the process, go back into the safe mode. Then go down to clear cache and rebuild database. So we're just going to rebuild the database. Shouldn't take too long. Now the store should work. As you can see, the store's there, everything's there. PlayStation Store, none of the photos are corrupt. So your database is fixed, the update's done. You shouldn't get the LAN cable disconnect error anymore, and you can access the store. Enjoy, guys.